Instruction video for COF indicator model ST 1.0. A slide tester for estimating the coefficient of friction on packaging film. Cut 2 samples of the film you want to test. The 2 film samples should be approximately 45 by 140 mm and 55 by 420 mm, respectively, corresponding to about 1.7 by 5.5 inches and 2.2 by 16.5 inches. The film samples must not be wet, dirty, or wrinkled. Before mounting the film samples, clean the sled and the tilt profile with a dry cloth to remove dirt. Always test the same film sides against each other, inside to inside or outside to outside. Lift the COF indicator scale. Center the sled on the tilt profile. Slowly lift the tilt profile. Stop lifting when the sled slides and read the value on the COF indicator scale. Repeat the test to get the best estimation. The best measurement result is obtained when measuring in a humidity below 65%. Important: the COF indicator ST 1.0 is only estimating a COF value. To get the exact COF value according to the ISO standard, it is necessary to measure the film with another precise COF measuring instrument.